Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for an upgrade for Dodge Durango or GrandCherokee headlight bulbs, non-HID ones, because they are, they're bad. I've been suffering myself with it for a long time, and I finally found a replacement, affordable and good quality. Let's watch this video to the end. I'm gonna show you how to install them, and that's it. Let's get this rolling. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible so you don't have to skip through it. Why did I choose those light bulbs? When I was looking and comparing the light bulbs, I had a couple of criteria I've been looking at. I wanted an affordable light bulb. I wanted the quality LED light bulb that will put out good performance, nice, crisp, clear white light with a good spread, good cutout line, and just good pattern. I wanted to be some decent website that's not just Amazon reseller that sells it for 3 to 6 months and then your warranty out of the window. So I wanted the good warranty behind that product. So I found this company that I'm gonna put a link in the description below. With that link you can purchase those light bulbs with a 15% discount using that link. On top of it, I wanted a good pattern. I don't want the hot spots, on the middle, just the spot in the middle and then everything else fades out. I wanted a nice clear all the way to the edges, nice brightness all the way across, and this bulb did that for me. I have 4 Taurus with HID bulbs, so once I installed these guys, I compared to my Taurus, which I thought it was really good quality light coming out of those HIDs, and I think these lights outdoing the HIDs on my Taurus. 2 years warranty on the product. If something goes wrong with the bulb, you don't have to send them back. You just send them a picture or a video of what happened to it and they'll send you a replacement. 2 years warranty. That speaks for itself. So that's what attracted me with those headlight bulbs, and that's what I chose them. I got them. I ran them for a few weeks. I like the performance, huge upgrade on the low beam, nice clean spread, good pattern, good cutout line. Overall, I was really happy with the performance of the light bulbs, with the brightness and color of the light, the density. High beam, outstanding, because the factory ones, you switch to high beam, they just push a little higher, but there was not much brightness difference. They were not that much brighter. In these guys, you light up the whole neighborhood. Now I'm gonna show you how to install. Really easy to do, anyone can do it. In exchange, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, post a comment, tell me your experience with these bulbs, and in the description below there's a link, 15% off if you buy them using that link. Simple as that. So to install the bulb, you simply just need to get to the wheel well. You can turn your wheel in on each side. There is a little access door right here. You turn it to vertical point, and you just right here, and you just pull it out, and your headlight access right there. You have to remove that cover right here. Once you remove that cover by twisting it to counterclockwise, once that is removed, you can turn your headlight bulbs again counterclockwise, pull it out, unplug it. If you can't unplug it while it's there, you can just pull it all the way out and unplug it by looking at it. Replace it with your aftermarket, the LEDs that I'm showing you right now in the video. Replace it with those LEDs, and do not put this cover on. I repeat, do not put this cover on. If you can tell that the bulbs have a little fan on them to cool down the control board that's controlling the LED circuit. If you put the cover back on, it will overheat the light bulb, and that will void the warranty. So, all right, I hope that was quick and easy and informational for you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I always read all of my comments. Give me feedback, please. I would ask you to subscribe to my channel. Give me some support for making all these Dodge Durango or GrandCherokee videos. Thank you for watching. Link in the description below for 15% discount. on the any light bulbs on their website. So that link will give you the discount on any light bulbs on their website, 15% off. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.